Hello everyone. So in previous video you have studied about angle, radian, degree and their interconversion. Now I have brought some question of the same topic, that is angles and arc length. So in this video I will solve some question. So you have to understand how I am solving the question so that you are able to do these questions. So first of all we have to read the question carefully. In this question it is given that the minute hand of a clock is 15 centimeter long. So suppose this is a clock and this is the minute hand and its length is 15 centimeter. So I can say minute hand 15 centimeter, so it is a circle. So the tip is moving on the circle and the radius of that circle will be 15 centimeters. So observation. Sorry. So radius is 15 centimeter. Now I have to tell that how far the tip of this minute hand. It means I have to find this arc L is question mark. Now I need, because angle arc radius are related to each other. So I know the radius, I know the angle, and I have to find arc length. But how I am calculating the angle? To see, because in one complete revolution, that is 60 minutes, one complete revolution, that is 60 minutes, is equal to 2 pi radian. 60 minutes is equal to 2 pi radian. So 1 minute will be 2 pi upon 60. And in question, it is given that 40 minutes. So in 40 minutes, the angle will be 2 pi upon 60 into 40. And after calculation, this is 4 pi by 3. So this way, we have angle also. Now you know these three are related. Theta, L and R. So what is the formula? Theta is equal to L upon R. So theta is 4 pi by 3. L we have to find. It is 15. 3 5s are and 5 4s are 20. So L is equal to 20 pi centimeter. You can put the value of pi also and you can leave the answer here. So this is your L. So for more interesting question, keep watching. In this question, we have to convert 11 upon 16 radian to degree. So you know how to convert radian to the degree? There is a formula, right? 1 radian equal to 180 upon pi degree. This is the formula. That how can we convert radian to degree? So how many radians we have? 11 upon 16. So 11 upon 16 radian will be 180 upon pi into 11 upon 16. So we can calculate like 22 upon 7 will be numerator, then 11 upon 16. Now 11, 2 and 2, 90, then 2, 45 and 2, 8, 31, 315 upon 8. So this degree, but you know the question is not so easy till here. It is easy till here, but now you know we have to write this degree into the smaller portion. You know 1 degree further having 60 minutes and 1 minute is having 60 seconds. So we need to write this degree angle into the smaller portion. How? Simply we will divide 315, 24, 8 9s are. Now 3 degree, 39 degree whole, but the 3 degree is left with us and we cannot, because 8 is greater than to 3 degree. So now till here we can convert 3 degree into the smaller part, that is minutes. So you know in 3 degree how many minutes I can convert this degree into minutes? That is 180. So again I will divide with the 8. 8 2s are 16. Then 8 2s are again 16, and I am having 4 as a remainder. So this is minutes. So now 4 minutes is also not dividing with the 8. Now I can convert it into the seconds. So 4 minutes can be converted into 4 into 60, that is 240 seconds. And I am dividing with 8. Now 8, 3, 24 and 0 as it is, so 30 seconds. So this angle can be written as 39 degree whole, then 22 minutes, then 30 seconds. So this is why I have chosen this question. Sometimes you have to express degree into the smaller portions. So keep watching for more questions. Now see this question. In a circle of diameter 60 centimeter. So a circle of diameter 60 centimeter is given. I have drawn the circle. The length of a chord is 30 centimeter. AB is the chord, 30 centimeter. It is strictly according to the question. So find the length of the minor arc. So I have to tell the length of this arc. So arc, radius and angles are related. So we will continue this question. So if I am joining OA and OB. So OA and OB, because diameter is 60 and OA and OB are radii of the circle. So both will be 30 centimeter because diameter is 60. So now 30 centimeter chord, 30 centimeter OA radius, 30 centimeter OB radius. This way we have a equilateral triangle. We have an equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, every angle is equal and equal to 60 degree. So it means this theta is equal to 60 degree, but because I have to find minor arc, I need to convert it into the radian. So 60 degree into pi upon 180. So you will have pi by 3 radian. So this is the angle we have got. So I am writing down theta pi by 3 radian. Now what is the radius of the circle? That is 30. But we need to find arc, that is L is question mark. So basic formula is L upon R, and theta is equal to pi by 3. L we need to find R is 30, 3, 10. So this way L is equal to 10 pi, or we can put the value of pi 3.14, so that is 31.4 centimeter. So this is the length of minor arc. So these are very easy questions. So for more interesting videos and topic, keep watching my videos. Thank you.